Welcome. Now we can see IRFC share latest news and IRFC share price target. If you see 1 year trend, it is uptrend only. 6 months sideways trend. 3 months it is downtrend. 1 month also it is downtrend only. I know many investors, retail investors, has been struck held up due to this after buying the share. Now we will know what is the breakout when we have to make an entry and exit. It is just below. IRFC share price is just below the supply zone 1 and above the strong demand zone. Below there is a demand zone 1. You can note down the levels and demand zone 2 is there. So what will be the entry? Say in case people who are very high risk traders, if it breakdown happens below the strong demand zone and then it may come to the demand zone 1. If it bounces back from demand zone 1 at least for 4 hour candle with strong volume and fixed candle, then they can consider high risk investors. Below, similarly, if it breaks down below the demand zone 1, it may come to demand zone 2. So from there, as I told, strong volume and breakout will happen if big candle is there. Again, if you see, but for investor who don't want to take any risk, only if the IRFC share price crosses above the supply zone 1 and reversal line with strong candle and good volume, then they can consider. But above again, there is a stop loss bear hunting line. It is very, very strong stop loss bear hunting line. What will happen is it will just keep on roaming around that line. So you have to be very careful. And above there is a heavy supply zone also. And that supply zone, stop loss bear hunting line, everything is coinciding with the downward trend line. Downward trend line around 174. So you have to be very careful. So what will be the next strategy? I will tell you. Before that, please like, share and subscribe without fail. I am not compelling you, but when you come back again to refer my levels, at that time don't forget to subscribe. This is based on supply and demand concept and disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered share market consultant. This is purely an education purpose video only. These are the benefits of watching my channel. Now we can see how it may go up. Breakout happens. What will be the breakout? If anybody want to exit, they can consider if supply zone 1 is unable to break out and it comes near strong demand zone and breakdown happens, then they may exit. Because reversal line is very, very crucial. Only if it is reversing above the reversal line at least for 1 day and makes a 1 day close above reversal line, then entry can be considered. High risk investors. Low risk investor, what to do? Very difficult because there's a heavy supply zone is there at 175. Again strong supply zone and above supply zone 2. Again if you see strong supply zone is there. So above if you see the upward trend line, it is very much high at 194. So only above the it sustains. If IRFC share price sustains above the 178 strong supply zone at least for 3-4 days with big candle and strong volume, then they can consider entry. Otherwise, they can wait. It will be very difficult. So, reversal line will be crucial. Once it sustains above the reversal line, at least for 1 or 2 days with strong candle and good volume, then entry can be done. That will be the breakout strategy. And above there is a, as I told, downward trend line. So, thank you very much.